This $200 billion loophole pays me $350 per hour to watch certain websites, such as YouTube and Facebook. I know how ridiculous it sounds, but it is 100% true. Last week, 53 beta testers tested out this new technique, and they all made money within their first 12 hours. A total of $6,000 have been paid and paid out to the users of this website. No credit card or investment is needed for you to get started. Now, I'm really thrilled because I finally found the only complete fail-proof way to make money online. Make sure to stay focused as I'll spill you this secret method throughout the video so you can finally have your first breakthrough and enjoy financially free life. I'm going to show you everything step by step. I want to introduce you to Squishy Cash. First, I want you to go to Google and type Squishy Cash and then hit the enter button. Click the first link that's gonna appear and you will be taken to their homepage. What I adore on this website is that they actually allow anyone from wherever they are in the world to start making money online, 100% free. Now, I just started this website days ago and I can attest that it's one of the best get paid to sites. It pays you quickly and I've made at least $30 so far. When you refer people and they joined, they are actually going to earn a $5 sign up bonus. Now, this is my first time on Squishy Cash and I'm telling you, I am hooked on this website. Not only have I made $50 in 5 hours, they also offer and approve quick and simple payout methods. What more can we ask for? I really like this site because on top of those reasons, they update better offers daily. So it's very convenient for the users every time they log in. I've made quick cash on this website without investing a single dime. And as you can see, a lot of people are sharing their amazing results and testimonies about this website. There are tons of good and awesome feedbacks even from beginners who made money easily. Basically, all you have to do are simple tasks and then you can earn money. This website offers 8 different ways, but for example, just watching short videos can get you paid real money. Once you want to cash out your earnings, there are many ways of payout methods, like PayPal, Amazon, Skrill, Dwolla, and Check. Now, these are the 8 different ways you can earn money on Squishy Cash. 1. You can do free offers. 2. Surveys. 3. Pay to click. 4. Offer walls. This is where you just watch videos. 5. Free trials, where you have to download apps. 6 is shopping, so you can earn cashbacks to earn money. 7 is referrals. And lastly, contests and promos. Make sure to keep watching until the end of the video because I'll demonstrate you guys how to do everything step by step and start earning money. One extra tip I want to share you. Have a look on this box that says Squishy News. You're gonna see offers for extra money. This is actually a bonus way to earn you some quick $10 to $50. You can participate in every offer in that box to earn extra money. Just click on the links and complete the task in it. You can refresh that list every day and utilize it to get some quick extra bucks. Beginners on this website doesn't even know this option, so congrats to you because I just gave you the secret that can help you make $10 up to $50 every single day. Before we go any further, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've liked the video this far. Alright, it is now time to get back to work and make some money. As we move forward, take a look at this. Here, you can register and sign up for free. This is a fantastic opportunity because they give you $3 for free just for signing up. In addition, you can earn chips when you finish these tasks on your computer. You can earn both money and chips, and you can convert the chips you earn into real money. This website have been paying out for more than $300,000 ever since 2007. There are a lot of payment proofs on their forum for transparency. Now moving on, you have to fill the information necessary to register. Put your email address, your password, and choose your country. Mind you, this opportunity is available everywhere. You can access this whether you're from Europe, India, Philippines, USA, Nigeria, Germany, Kenya, and more. It doesn't matter where you're from. You can make money in Squishy Cash. Once you're done, just check and agree with the terms and privacy. Click on sign up and take in mind that only one account per person is allowed. Multiple accounts are prohibited in this website. Otherwise, you will actually get banned. Now, once you have an account, you can see there are various methods to make money. I want you to click the Browse Offers category button. Click on the down arrow and you'll see varieties of available categories. Now, you can click any of them. Start watching videos and you can earn money right now. As you can see, after completing the daily offers, you can earn earn 35 cents, and then they'll give you 5 chips. So in total, 35 cents plus 5 chips into your account. Now you can do this as much as you want, and the income will stack up quickly. They're also going to pay you higher earnings for more videos you watch. And what's great is that you can do this by simply using a phone. It doesn't take that very long, and you can repeat the process every single day. Now pay attention. This is very important. Click on the down arrow and select new offers, and you'll see that there are many more opportunities available. For instance, look at this 50-cent offer or this $15 offer, and for this one, 60-cent offer. This one, 50-cent offer. This one, 40-cent offer. And this one, 35-cent offer. There are a ton of opportunities available, and they're pretty much available worldwide. Depending on your location, you can get paid even more money compared to other users. For example, if you're from the Philippines or Nigeria, you get paid US dollar rate, which is convertible on your respective currencies. A lot of users that goes to Squishy Cash only finds offer around 35 to 50 cents per task. But lucky you, I know a secret that can get you more money. For example, offers that have a $20 reward for a short amount of time, you can repeat it as much as you can. There are even offers that go up to $100 as their reward for completing the task, so make sure to watch the video up until the end. Moving on, just click on the down arrow again and select surveys. It shows how many offers are available as of the current time. If it goes to 0, then don't worry, because the website refreshes this every day. The tasks here usually pay between 50 cents up to $1, which is not that high. However, once you complete 10 surveys, you're going to unlock a ton of new offers where you can make money by watching more videos. I know that a lot of you guys want this money-making opportunity because it's so simple, but you can actually generate a lot of cash from this. Now, after completing 10 surveys, you're gonna unlock extra free trial jobs. For example, there are free trial jobs that will pay you for 200 chips just by signing up on a free trial app, or sometimes 100 chips for watching short videos. There are also offers where you get paid $10 and 80 chips, which is a lot more than the average and usual offers in this website. These chips that you earn can be converted into real money. You can collect them and save them up until the date when you can cash out all your earnings. Just make sure to complete 10 surveys to unlock these opportunities, and voila! You're now earning a lot of money in Squish Cash just by doing surveys and watching brief videos and ads online. Congratulations if you made it this far, because I'm going to reveal one more secret, which is the referral system. And at the end of this video, I'm going to share with you a free website where you can make a lot of referrals for free. You don't need any experience, followers, money, or skills to do this. Even a beginner can do it by adhering to exactly what I teach you. So make sure you watch all the way to the end. The referral system is different but efficient. It says here that you can earn 25% of what your friend is making. Meaning, if the friend you referred made $100 today, then you earn $25 just like that without doing anything. Easy and fast. Now, there are extra levels on the referral system. For example, you earn 5% on the level 2, then 2% on the next level, and up until the tier 5 of the referral level. This is very unique and efficient because the more people you refer, the more money you can earn through referral commissions. Let's say you referred 10 people already, and each of them referred 5 people on their own. That's a guaranteed bag of cash for you without having to do anything technical. Now, this website is a green flag where you can share your referral code to other people, so you can get a lot of referrals in one fell swoop. I want you to access Squishy Cash Forum. You can do that by searching up squishycash.proboards.com. Before you can start posting and sharing your referral code here, you must register first. Just click on the register button on the top, put in your email, and click continue. Once you're done, I want you to browse the topics available in the forum. For example, you can click the off-topic tab, and as you can see, there are thousands of ongoing discussions and replies in the post here. This is a forum where you can get many views and traffic, so people can sign up on the website through your referral code. I guarantee you can make up to $10 to $30 every day if you utilize this forum correctly. Well, that's it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and I'll see you on the next video.